How to fix iPhone from not ringing for incoming calls. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to turn off your silent mode, which might be on your phone. Now scroll down on your screen on the top right corner and turn off your Bluetooth mode. Sometimes turning your Bluetooth can cause such problem. Now what you can do next is turn on the volume button on the Macs. Sometimes turning off your volume can also cause such problems. Another solution to fix this problem is you can always turn off your phone or restart your iPhone. Once you do it, it will automatically be restarted and fix all the lags or any problems that were on your phone. You can also reset it by going to the reset settings, which will reset all of your functions, which will help you to fix your phone. In this way, you can easily fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.